Hello guys, here is a question, and this question is asking for as a constant or coefficient. This function, it says we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and you see that's an exponential function, and is asking which of them is a constant or coefficient. The maximum value of the function is x greater than or equal to 0. All we have to do is we type it in Desmos, as we know, -6, and we have 3 to the power of x minus 3, and here is the function is graphed right here. So we go for the y-intercept and see, and as you see, the y-intercept is -9, and this is not -6 as the coefficient of the function we have over here. So we enter the second exponential equation, -3, 6 to the power of x. And now we have the y-intercept right here. If we label it right there in order to see it, so we get -3 as the y-intercept, and as you see over here, the coefficient is -3. So only 2 is the correct answer. So choice B is the value we're looking for.